Next on the list for off-season work is the rebuild my V8 powered Nissan 370Z. This thing has had one heck of a season. We whipped it out for the first couple rounds of Formula Drift and then immediately boxed it up and shipped it out to Goodwood where it got thrashed up and down the hill. Managed to slide off the hill a little bit and bang up this corner into the hay bales, but it's alright, we'll get this pulled back into shape. The hood obviously only takes a couple hood pins to pop off, so let's just get that out of the way. Alright, first things first, let's pull this old rear bumper. It's pretty much trash. Take these old taillights off. These things are cracked up and we'll replace them with brand new ones. Moving forward, we'll get these quarter panels off. These carbon ones are really nice. They cap the whole side of the car off so that we don't have to be banging out sheet metal every time we get into the wall, or hay bales for this instance. But these come off really quick. A couple little bolts hold them in place. Pop the whole thing off. Get a fresh panel and it's good to go. Oh, what do you want from me? Get a fresh new quarter panel, new rear bumper, new pieces, tail light and everything. This thing will look good as new. See? Might have to take a scooter break. This old Savon carbon wing's pretty split up too from banging into the bales, so we'll replace this one with a brand new 2015 Nismo rear wing, just like the one on the Pro car. These side skirts actually aren't bolted on 100%. It's real quick, just a little zip tie and a bolt here and they'll drop right off. We'll get something a little more secure for the new ones. Hey. Front fenders use all factory mounts, so just a couple quick socket heads to pull this thing off. This side's in pretty good shape, but the other side's pretty split up, so we'll get a brand new pair from Savon Carbon and get those swapped on. One of my buddies just picked up a 370Z to build and he needs some parts, so I'm actually going to donate anything that's half decent off of this chassis so he can fix them up, repair them, and save himself a little bit of money on the build. The passenger headlight isn't even here, but the driver's side's in good shape, so let's pull this one off and we can reuse some of the parts to potentially put the halo lights back into place. These doors also come off real quick, just a couple bolts here in the door jamb. Dylan's got the back handle, pop that off. Now aside from that, we got to take this thing out and pressure wash it, get all the dirt, grease, tire rubber and everything else off of it, get it cleaned up, shined up, and we'll be ready to put a brand new body on it. Alright, we'll see you next time.